You got the touch, you got the power. This Small One Shapeshifter bringing you a Transformers anime review, and this Transformers animated Rodimus Minor. Now, it's only available at Toys R Us, which in my town that I have Toys R Us there, but I had to go all the way to Moline because they had only one of these guys. So yeah. Now, here's the back. Gene bio, and his model is right up there. Actions speak louder than words. Yeah. So, and there's his galactic powers and abilities. He's called the Chosen One by his teachers and peers. He's the youngest ever honored with the Valor's Flame, and he designed his own energy bell, which I've noticed in here that it's not the same colors as this. So yeah. Now let's open this guy up and see what we've got. Okay, here he is with the, well, it doesn't stay on there very well, so yeah. So let me just set it off to the side. So now here he is. Yeah, he looks exactly like his Generation 1 as we saw in the... Man, my mind is just totally going to a blank. Yeah, so let me just bring in Rodimus Prime to show you a comparison. So here he is next to my Reveal the Shield, Rodimus Prime, and see that he's short. He's a little bit short as this guy, and as we can look underneath here, just raise this up. See that it does have the same hull space as here, but well, this has engine on back there, but when this removed, it shows hull space. And here's his head, right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring you another size comparison. Here's him compared to Blur. Yeah, I'll be reviewing this guy next, so stay tuned. So yeah, and compared to the way this is, Blur's a little bit longer, but Rodimus is a little bit shorter. So yeah, now transform him, you just untab his feet right here, and untab that. It will release his leg. It's a little bit tricky. There we go. Oh, now just tab that. There you go. Let's see here that there's a little tab and a little slot right there. You just push that in and pull straight out his feet. Do the same over here. Yeah. And then you just and then you untap this and that, and you just rotate that so it's around, and just lift this up to get out of the way so I could, oh yeah, fold this back, and now just pull out down this, as he, oh yeah, and fold the, sorry, and you see there's an Autobot symbol, and you just flip that around, it'll feel his Autobot shield, and see here that there's these two slots, and these two pegs right there, and it just so that, and it rotates its head, and it locks this in place. Wait, before I do that, I have to pull these up to here, and they will tap in. Rotate that around. Yeah. And then fold those wheels up and fold that in. So yeah, fold these up, fold those up, and yeah, and fold this up, and there you have Rodimus Minor. Oh yeah, I forgot, you just supposed to fold this around and fold out his hand. Same over here. Fold out his hand. And get him adjusted. And there you have Transformers Animated Rodimus Minor. Yeah. Now articulation, his arm can go back about that far, but gets hindered by his wing. Bend at the elbow, bend at 2 joints at the elbow. It's on elbow's on ball joint, so is that wrist. Bend at 2 joints at the wrist. Yeah, his waist can swivel and do an ab crunch. His leg is also on a ball joint, so it could go all around. Bend at the knee, and his foot is also on a ball joint. Now to bring in some other comparisons. Okay, so here's Rodimus Minor compared to Blur. See that he's a little bit shorter than Blur, so yeah. And I'll bring you this. Here's Rodimus Prime with Rodimus Minor, and you see that he's a little bit shorter than Rodimus. So yeah, take him out of the way. So yeah, and he's actually a really neat figure. Yeah. Yeah. He is one cool Transformer. I really do recommend this guy. If you see him at Toys R Us, pick him up. Just pick him up, because he is really cool. So yeah. Oh, if you wanted to see me attach this, see him holding this, There you go. Here he is. But I don't display him like with this. So yeah. This is 101 Shapeshifter signing off.